That won't be my son, or rather our son. History says replete with events. And women have also been noted to have been behind the success and failure of kingdoms. I have gotten you somebody that will be a life partner. That's all you need. And she's right here in this palace. And I just want you to hold on to her tenaciously when you see her.
Come on, son. You asked us to get you a black girl. So I went out of my way to get you a black, beautiful dancer. Let me officially introduce your beautiful bride to you. Her name is Oge Okoye. Trust me, you like her. Just watch.
Okay.
Oge Okoye! Oge Okoye!
Yes, my queen. Yes, my queen.
Here she comes, talk of the devil.
Here comes your bride.
Beautiful. Black skin.
My queens, I greet you.
Hmm? Excuse me? What did she just say?
You heard her?
I'm greeting you.
Hey.
Come on, son. You asked us to get you a dark girl. So I went out of my way to get this beautiful damsel for you. So let me formally introduce your beautiful bride to you. Oge Okoye, my son, your husband.
Oh, easy. Easy. Don't hurt yourself. What? She can't speak.
Hey, I can speak, oh. The only difference is that all that big glamour, it's not something I can do. But don't worry. Don't worry. I will let it.
Oge Okoye.
What's your name again?
Oge Okoye.
I'm Obi. Why don't you walk her into the room and get to know her better?
Father, Femi, I scheduled an meeting with
yes,
Femi, so he will come and show me.
That can always wait. This is a bride that just introduced to you. All you need to do is take her in. You have to get to know her better. The meeting between her and Femi can always be rescheduled.
Exactly.
I mean, what is meeting compared to a beautiful black lady that brought for you?
Black beauty.
As demanded by you anyway.
Come on, son.
Okay. You're going with that.
Oge Okoye. That's your husband.
Oh, they have the food there.
My queens.
Go.
Go.
My queens.
Make sure you enjoy yourself there.
What's that?
What happened?
Oge Okoye, the girl I've been talking to you guys about, has just been introduced to the prince. And the worst part of it is, he doesn't even have problem with her shortcomings.
What? Was he high when he got introduced? I can't believe this. Hey. And what did he say to her?
Nothing. All I saw was that they went into the room and that's it.
You're not serious. I think I have to call him. Please, help me on my phone there. Call him and say what? Girl, all you need to think about right now is how to get that girl evicted from this game. Udimba, right? I thought you said the girl is dumb and local. So what happened? How come you didn't say anything?
I've delivered as I saw. Please, I have to be on my way back because someone's covering for me. Please.
Anyway, thank you so much. I'll speak with you later. Messages. I think it's time I paid that girl a visit. Yes. Thank you.
Mother, I don't get it. No, honestly, I don't. I don't just get it. Is this intentional? Huh? I mean, of all the women in this world, of all the women, why this one?
Son, because this is the only woman that your father found favor in her eyes for you.
Right.
Honey, do you know your father refused to employ maidens in this house because he doesn't want to hear that his son is in love with a maiden? Why not go ahead and marry this lady?
Mother, that is exactly my point. Since I was born, father has always been making decisions for everyone in this palace. Tell me of just one decision you've made for yourself without the assistance of my father.
Why not tell me, among all his decisions that he has made for you, which one has ever disappointed you?
Mom,
that's not the point. The point is that this girl possesses everything that you need in a woman that you want to marry. She's beautiful, she's dark, most of all, she's natural.
Oh yeah, so natural that she can't even understand some of the things I say in English language.
Then you teach her.
Are you bloody kidding me, mother? At that age? Did you hear?
That's not the
my
point.
plaints?
Oh, come on.
How will she learn?
Honey, that is not the point. The point is that this girl possesses everything that you require in a wife. She's a good wife material. Come on, sir. You can mold her into that woman that you want her to be. Come on. And she's also a good cook. A lovely one. I know you can do
it. Mother, is this some sort of a joke?
I'm not joking. Honestly, I'm serious. I know you can do it. Come on. I'm serious.
Where do you think you're going to?
I'm going to my home. You know where I'm going.
You don't know where you're
going. Where I'm going.
I guess you're Choma, right? Are you Choma? Yes, she's Choma. What's the problem? The point wants to see her at the palace. Why? Move! What do you want to do? Hey! Where are you taking that? Move! Young man. What? Don't there. I want to go inside. Come on, go back. Come on, go back. Do you want to die? Huh? Come on, get out. You, love this kid. Choma. They said you should go back. Are you deaf?
Are you aware that my son, the prince of Ogidi Kingdom, his betrothed is in love with someone that he'll be getting married to very soon?
Oh, I don't know, Ma.
That's very nice. So I would like you to erase anything that you have on my son off your mind. You two will never be together. That will never happen. You are not of the same class. So that will never be anything between you and my son. Do you get that? Because if you don't erase it from your mind, I will make your life, your family life, your entire lineage life very miserable for you. Do you get me?
Yes, Mom.
Dad.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You take this low class, no name, miserable wretch off my sight, and never you step foot in this palace again. Now get out of my sight. Come on, get out!
Good day, my prince.
Top of the morning to you, my prince. You summoned me.
Yes, I did, my princess.
Princess? My prince, don't you think I'm not worthy to be addressed to that title?
Come sit first, we'll get to that. One more. Yeah. I'll tell you why I call you my princess.
My prince, I am not worthy of that title.
I call you that because of the way you carry yourself. There's this irresistible dignity around you. You know, you carry yourself with so much class and elegance. And there's this grace around you. I just can't explain it. Then again, you are intelligent and beautiful. So, what other attributes do I need to see before I call you my princess?
My prince, I think you're forgetting something here. You have a bride, and you definitely have a wife somewhere. So, can we just say that this is a sincere act from me to let you keep this on the friends level? It's cool like this. It's cool.
You're definitely talking about Obiajulo. Everybody talks about her like she's ordained for me. Fine, I like her. I like her because she's funny, very funny, and she's plain in her actions, but she's not the one for me.
My prince, I never said Obiajulo is the one meant for you. Obiajulo is your bride now, true, but just know you have a wife somewhere. You have a wife.
Somewhere?
You have a wife somewhere. You have a wife somewhere.
And what if you happen to be that wife?
What?
Papa. They have come to seek your hand in marriage. Their son Oyibo used to help your mother in farm work in those days.
Mama used to talk very well about you.
Yeah, Rima.
Well, I hope our journey to your place today will turn out to be a fruitful one.
Let's hear from the horse's mouth. What do you have to say about their proposal to you?
I'll marry him.
Did you hear that? That is great! Great, my daughter. Do I say great? Good news! It is really good news! Take it. That is my son.
Okay, my daughter. You can go. Go into a very beautiful way.
Look at you again. You have come to show what you are.
Very soon, the very beautiful girl will be your wife.
It's already his wife.
Yes, come.
Oge Okoye, the bride is here to see you.
Where is she?
She's in this room.
Stand down.
My clothes. I glitz.
I glitz you too. Sit down.
My husband. Since you entering town, you are not even saying you want to come and see me in my house. Why now?
Forgive me, I've been very busy. So much to do, so much work. Pardon my shortcomings. My fault.
Okay, it's bad. Today, you are going to carry me and go out.
Sorry?
Sorry, what? Nothing do me. Why you told me sorry?
I mean, I didn't get what you just said.
Hi, my plans. You know, since you entering, everybody in the village are supposed to see you and I walking hand in hand, you know, as two people in love. As your husband, you know, as we are husband and wife, as your new bride in town.
Okay, now I get what you've been trying to say.
Hey, my plans. You know, one thing making me rubbing you die.
What's it there?
Every time I open my mouth to talking, you understand me? Like aeroplane.
At least we're getting to understand each other. That's a step forward. But not today. As you can see, I'm very busy. So much work to be done. Some other time.
Mban. My plane say Dalia. Hi. My place only this one offer I offering you today. Mban. My place, you can't just let me down like that. Mban.
Alright. Fine. You win. Where do you want us to go to?
Let me thinking it. I hungry. My place, I hungry. You are going to taking me going out to eat today. My place. What's laughing you? What's you laughing? My place. What's foreign?
Anything.
My place.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I mean, I can't believe you let me follow you hunting.
Well, I did that because I just want to be away from the house for now.
You don't look too happy these days. What's wrong with you?
Ego, I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me.
It's always happening to you these days. This minute your mood is so good and the next minute your mood is so bad. What is wrong with you?
I don't know. I just get jealous over nothing. Especially today, it's been so strong. Coupled with that, what's that boy's name? Was that Oibo's case? The whole thing is just...
If you don't like him, explain to Papa.
You want Papa to faint again?
Please, oh. No, I don't have strength to look after a sick old man.
How about you said it with your old man?
Use your hand. I see you're struggling with that.
No. I'm used to it, my place.
I never said you're not used to it, but I see you're going through so much stress. You can use your hands, nobody cares.
No, don't worry. Don't worry, practice will make it perfect. Don't worry. It's just this meat is too strong. Oh. Hi. Broka.
Alright.
Why is this thing like this now? Hello! Ose! Ikenla, Pepe! Oh no! Pepe!
It's okay. Take that.
Ose, No, don't worry, my prince, don't worry. Don't worry, I will see with one eye, don't worry.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure now. Very sure. Ikenla, don't be scared. Well. Who do we have here? The prince who happens to be your boyfriend.
And what's that I can hear from your voice? Sarcasm?
What am I being sarcastic about? Tell me. You said he's your boyfriend, so let's go and greet him.
But wait, before we get ourselves embarrassed there, are you sure it's really your boyfriend? Because I can see 2 plates on his table.
And what's that supposed to mean?
Nothing. Just saying.
Whatever. Hey, sweetie. How are you doing today?
Hi, how do you do?
How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. But your face. I think we've met before, right?
Why are you sounding like you don't know me? Oh. Is it because of what happened the other day?
Excuse me?
Well, I'm so sorry for standing you up that day. It's just that I was very busy.
Well, slow down. Don't you think you're mistaking me for someone else?
Ambi, please stop. Come on. You're embarrassing me in front of my friend and it's no longer funny. I just told you I'm sorry.
You just said you stood me up. I can't remember. I don't know what you're talking about.
What are you doing on my chair? Stand up here. I'm touching your CCTV here.
Easy.
Are you okay?
Easy.
Solid. Why is everybody telling me Saleh today? Ikenna.
Yes, ma'am.
Adim konya hunaya. Do I look sick? Here. Before I open in my eyes and I counting to 1 to 3. You are out of here. 1.
Alright.
2.
It's okay.
3.
Slow down. It hasn't gotten to this. Alright? We can still take care of the situation. Excuse me. Hello? I think you may have to leave.
Una Kaleba. Move here and move. How? Obeloga. But please don't worry, sit. Let us finish our romantic food. Yeah, my please. Don't worry. Sit down, These young guys. Hey! My please.
I'll be in the car.
My prince, where are you going? My prince! You can now.
Marakuta, 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 the King of Kings. Your humble son calling you. The Great One. I beseech thee and seek your attention now.
I am here, my son. I am not so happy with you.
My king, it's a very heavy task, I must tell you. But I promise that Amobi is getting married to Obiajilo no matter what.
Look at that calabash. What do you see?
Blood. Blood. It has even increased.
And you have to stop it from increasing more. Because any day this calabash gets filled and the blood drops on this table from the calabash, you will cease to breathe.
I will never let that happen. For I intend to live till eternity, to be able to rule this kingdom forever.
I have lived for centuries in the spiritual realm. I, Marakuta, I rule every kingdom. So, I want you, my son, to be the first mortal to achieve that feat.
My king, Amobi, getting married to no other person than Obiajilo. That I can assure you.
Good. Good. They are already bonded here in the spiritual realm. Any day meets a girl whom a good heart and love is very strong. The shackles and chains will be in jeopardy. Hurry up! Hurry up and get him to marry Obiajunu before he gets distracted. Beware the dangerous prophecy. Beware the dangerous prophecy ahead.
It's Susie, Mercedes' friend.
Hi, Grandpa.
Nice to meet you. Obiajilo, right?
Who is you? And how you knowing my name?
Oh God, I'm Susie, Mercedes' friend.
Mercedes. Moto.
Anyway, actually, I'm new in town. I just got into the neighborhood, so I was asked if there's any young girl like me who could show me around, you know, and help me also get an apartment. And I was directed to you. Yes.
Hey! Come in. Sit down. Sit down.
Thank you.
Hey! So, now I am now a celeb.
Of course, you're a celebrity in this town, don't you know?
Hey! It's you that coming that day and see this sitting the day me and my lawyer prince as eating you. I remember you.
Susie. What are you doing here?
Ask this stupid, useless and good for nothing girl to leave your house because she's a very poisonous person. She is very dangerous.
Hey, God, they risk you. You hear? Oh yeah. Leave my house now!
You said you should leave.
Before you start displaying your illiteracy, I have come to warn you to stay away from the prince because he is mine. And you too, tell your friend Mercedes to stay away from him.
And come, let me ask you one question. Why do you like constituting nuisance? Why?
Hey, it's two of you as want my place, eh? Two of you as want my handsome loyalty.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Susie, you said something earlier. Can you please repeat?
Oh, shut up, you stinking slut!
What? Did you just call me a slut?
Yes, you heard me well. You're a slut. A gold digger! Hey!
Is these people the way that's want me? Hey!
I called you all here to inform you. My son's friend in Ghana will be coming in here next week. I would like you all to tidy this compound. Tidy everywhere in this house. I want everywhere clean. Because he'll be staying here for a while. I want you to go inside the village and get me a very good cook that will prepare a delicious food for him. Because it's long he visited this palace. And he's going to stay here for a while. You all should put in your best to make his stay here very comfortable. Do you understand me?
Yes, my queen.
Do any of you have any question?
Yes, my queen. See, my queen, the king does not need any service from any female in this kingdom, apart from the one of Oge Okoye and Anyachi.
Exactly.
I have already taken permission from my husband. Just go inside the village and get me a beautiful cook, okay? That will cook good food for my visitor.
But my queen, what about Oge Okoye? She happens to be the best cook in this land.
She alone cannot do all the cooking. She needs someone to assist her. So get me a feminine to assist her for once.
Yes, my queen. Anything you say will do.
You heard me all, right?
Yes, my queen. Feminine.
Cause I am so natural, so natural. Love is so natural. Said I am so natural. So natural, love is so natural. I hope you understand. I wish you realize. Look into your eyes and see the best.
Adam, Audu Abaji. It's a very big meat. Audu Abaji. That's very good. You know what? You take this meat to Ibo's house.
What?
Take it to Ibo.
This meat?
Yes.
But this is the only meat I got today. I can't take it to his house. So. Besides, he came to ask for my hand in marriage. He should be doing one, bringing gifts for me, not the other way around.
Mpoko, I know the tradition more than you. Eh? Send it to him. For Oyibo has heard about your perfection in the act of hunting. Come to think of it. He said that you have been avoiding him of late. Why must it be so?
I'm not avoiding him. I've just been busy taking care of me.
Now I relieve you of that stress. Don't take care of us. Now go and visit your husband today.
I'm not going anywhere, Joe. going.
Rima, why won't you go?
I'm not going.
Oya, go and meet your husband today. You have overstayed your usefulness in this house.
Papa, even if I'm going there, I'm not going to take this meat. It should be no one bringing it for somebody and not somebody who suffer.
Alright. Just go. Just go and visit. Give me the gun. Give me the gun. Go and visit him.
See, I can't even go there like this. See now, see how I'm looking.
Okay. Take the meat.
Love is so natural. I hope you understand. I hope you realize. I hope you understand. I wish you realize that I am so natural.
Who is that? Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's wrong with you? I came as soon as I got the call.
My head aches. I'm feeling too cold.
Whoa. Okay, let's not waste time. Let's take you to the hospital immediately.
No, I don't want to go to the hospital. It's a good thing you're here now.
Why won't you? But you're not running temperature.
That's the thing now. That's one thing that baffles me about this particular sickness. I'm not running temperature. What kind of sickness is this now?
I should be inside the room.
So, how has it been? How are you? Long time, no calls, no nothing.
Forgive me, I've been very busy. It just skipped my mind to call you.
It's because I'm not one of those important people in your life. No problem.
Of course not. Every single friend of mine is important.
So I'm just your friend, eh?
I never said that.
It's okay, let me just manage it for now. So how is business?
Alright, business is good. Just trying to put a few things in motion before I establish my plans fully. You're a lawyer, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I will need your help very soon.
Always at your service, anytime, any day. Friend.
You pronounce the word friend like you're not comfortable with the title.
We shall soon know about that. Please, just do something about my body. Everywhere is paining me. Just see now. See, everywhere is paining me. Do something.
I don't understand. What do you want me to do?
Just do anything now. You can't even touch nothing. Do something. Oh.
Girlfriend, what is it? Can you talk to me? I'm talking to you. Will you talk to me? What is it?
That good for nothing girl that managed to win the beauty queen of this town last year and our other whore of a friend. Those two are really biting more than they can chew. Can you imagine? I just followed my boyfriend and discovered that he visits their house.
How? What boyfriend are you talking about?
Blair.
Yes.
Are you just dumb or is it that you don't like good things?
Seriously, I live here with you. I've never seen any boy come to see you or you coming in with any boy. You're just confusing me here.
How many times am I going to tell you that I am having something serious with Prince Amobi?
Prince Amobi?
Yes!
Girlfriend, don't tell me you've been spying on the prince of this land. Are you that desperate?
Blair.
Yes.
What kind of a friend are you?
I'm the kind of friend that wants the best for you. The friend that will tell you the truth. Girlfriend, Prince Amobi is not your man. He doesn't even know you. Yeah, I know it's hot, but seriously, the truth is bitter. Girlfriend, you have to please prevent this disease of desperation before it ruins your life. Blah. You were sick in the head. Sometimes I even wonder if you ever attended school. Don't you know the difference between desperation and determination? Listen, I know that so many girls out there wants to have my man and that they will do anything to get him. That is why I am looking out for him. My dear, you're making a mistake. A very big one at that. Speak for yourself. Say whatever you feel. All I know is that I am bent on this. And no matter what it takes, accomplishment is all I crave. And that's what I'm going to get.
So what are you doing?
I might just happen to have a solution to all of this. Hello. Hello. Brute to tell. I'll be waiting at the outside bar.
I know you. The girl from the restaurant, right?
I'm Melanie, and I have a job for you.
Have a job for me? Listen, I work at the palace. Did you think I'll have any other chance for another job?
I want you to get me any information that could help me get close to the prince. Any information at all.
What do you mean by that? Listen, my job is to protect the prince and not to expose him to people.
500,000 naira, Ikena. This offer will do you a whole lot of good.
You see,
800,000 naira, Ikena. This offer will touch your whole life. And to crown it all, I'll let you have me.
Okay. See, I will hook you up with something. A cook is needed at the palace before next week. Are you a good cook?
You'll be marveled at the wonders my hands can perform, both in the kitchen and on bed.
Who do we have there? So you are now the one doing the sneaking, eh?
Yeah.
What a marvelous deja vu. So where are you coming from?
See, well, whether I sneak out or not, all I am doing is in the favor of this kingdom. You understand? Listen, I have found a cook that is going to take care of Femi's maid next week.
You found a cook? That's interesting. And who might that be?
She just got into Ogidi land last 2 weeks. And she has a record to have done so well for people in different occasions.
But Ikena, when did you start getting involved in cooks and occasions?
Like as I said before, I am doing this for the favor of this kingdom.
Make I take fear believe you. Now listen. I don't want you to go out anymore. If the prince is around, I don't want you to go out anymore from this time. Okay? Before you go around and begin to look for more cooks.
I don't understand the way this is going on in this palace. And everybody is pretending as if nothing is going on.
What that marvels me most is the way they are receiving the prince. I mean, a girl you think that is dark in complexion becomes fair. Why can't they look for another wife for prince to marry?
Tire for the whole matter. Even the girl is not even all that beautiful. She's not fluent. She's nothing to write home about.
Did I hear you say fluent? She can't even call her name very well. She can't even write her name. She can't speak.
See, even the king himself does not relate with his son very well. I'm getting confused with everything.
What is going on in this palace?
Nami won't ask. He won't ask me. See, you know, say me and you now we don't they gossip too much. We don't they gossip. The work where women supposed to do now they do.
E better, as there are no maidens to do the gossip. Make we will be the guards do the gossiping.
Okay, we don't become guys, the gossipers. I won't go see Nico. I will see you later. I might go see Nico.
Nico again. Day before yesterday it was Jessica. Yesterday it was Nkechi. Today Nico. It concern you. Jessica even told me she miss her period. Nkechi don't call your line tired. Mama, what is going on?
See, for this palace, we don't have much time here in this palace. So the little one you will get, I won't use them flirt well. Flirt well, my guy. I won't flirt.
Let's talk about this like two mature people. What is there to talk about? What else is there to talk about? When you want to just get married, I don't know why you're even rushing things. Why are you rushing things?
Are you asking me? Is it not Unkwanta that is getting married with his wife? Don't you want that to happen to us as well? Huh? See, I'm doing this because I love you. I'm a very jealous person. I want you to be mine.
And you think the only thing to do is to rush things? I barely even know you and you want to do my one car in the next 2 weeks.
You barely even know me. I will invite you to the house, you will not come. Is that one reason or the other? And you're talking about, you don't even allow me come to the forest where you're hunting. And you're talking about you barely know me.
Which forest? That forest, I don't even allow my sister to come to the forest with me. Don't you know that that's my only 2 secrets? Plus, I even need to come to that your house to get to know you.
No. There are some things you need to do. You know, some. See, there are some things you need to do before marriage. We need to do some things you do before the marriage. That's what you have to create time for us to know each other.
Look, I want to go. My father will be waiting for me. Don't tell my father I was the one that suggested this thing.
Why? Now, how do you expect me to explain this delay?
Don't you have sense? Can't you think? Don't you know what to tell your father? Tell them you are not ready because me, I'm not ready. So you tell them that we are not ready yet. Look, if you do all of that, I'll be yours.
Let's talk about this like two mature people.
What is there to talk about? What else is there to talk about? When you want to just get married, I don't know why you're even rushing things. Why are you rushing things?
Are you asking me? Is it not Nkwanta that is getting married with his wife? Don't you want that to happen to us as well? Huh? See, I'm doing this because I love you. I'm a very jealous person. I want you to be mine.
And you think the only thing to do is to rush things? I barely even know you, and you want to do my one car in the next 2 weeks.
You barely even know me. I will invite you to the house, you will not come. Is that one reason or the other? And you're talking about, you don't even allow me come to the forest where you're hunting. And you're talking about you barely know me.
Which forest? That forest, I don't even allow my sister to come to the forest with me. Don't you know that's my only 2 secrets? Plus, I even need to come to your house to get to know you.
No. There are some things you need to do. You know, some. See, there are some things you need to do before marriage. You need to do some things you do before the marriage. That's what you have to create time for us to know each other.
Look, I want to go. My father will be waiting for me. Don't tell my father I was the one that suggested this thing.
Why? Now, how do you expect me to explain this delay?
Don't you have sense? Can't you think? Don't you know what to tell your father? Tell them you are not ready because me, I'm not ready. So you tell them that we are not ready yet. Look, if you do all of that, I'll be yours.
My king, I present to you Melanie, the new cook in town who will be taking care of the meals that will be served the day the princess friend will return.
I see. You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, my king, the undefeated warrior.
What is your name again?
My name is Melanie, my king.
Yes, father.
Greetings to you, my prince.
Is everything okay?
Yes. Everything is fine. What's your name?
I'm Melanie, my prince.
Melanie. Nice to meet you.
The pleasure is all mine, my prince.
Father, I'll be outside.
All right. Well, Melanie expects you here next tomorrow to prepare a meal for the royal family. We'll have a guest to be entertained on that day.
My king, I'm going to present a very wonderful dish. Some meal this palace will not forget in a hurry.
That sounds quite confident. I hope you live up to expectation.
I'll do my best, my king.
Wake up! Wake up! Papa, what is this?
Oyibo, my son. Rima normally has this dream that makes her shed blood in place of tears. I've told her to follow me to a native doctor's shrine to find out what her problem is, but she refused to go.
We put a kick and a quick. You need to take this girl to hospital.
This is not a hospital matter. Oyibo, this is not a hospital matter. It's a more serious case. And Urima, yeah. See, I'm going to call Omo Keshe, the native doctor. Urima, I said get up, let's go to Omo Keshe's house.
Papa, I'm not going.
We are going to Omo Keshe's house now.
Good evening, my prince.
And how do you know I'm the one?
Because you're the only one that walks up to me in that manner.
What manner?
It's not something I could explain. It's this thing with the blind. And by the way, my prince, you sound confused.
There you go again. You always read my mind, even more than I do.
What is wrong? Anyway, I could help out.
You know, Anyachi, I feel suffocated by the attention and care I get. Yet I feel empty. You know, every day I watch people try to go out of their way to do things for me. But I know that deep down, they don't really care about me. Now you're smiling. Your charming smile again. Why are you smiling?
Because my prince, we have not started with the journey yet and you are complaining. Well, I wonder what you would do when we get to some bridge you would have to cross.
Ayachi, don't you think you're too young to be speaking the way you do? Huh? Come on, you're just a girl and you talk like some old woman somewhere. You're always speaking in parables and very heavy ones at that.
My friends, your life is filled with parables with no one to help you interpret them. Prince Amobi is an uncle. When the right time comes, you will interpret them yourself.
Papa, why are you asking me that kind of a question?
I have to ask you so that we know how to start helping you. Even the native doctor, Omokachi, was scared of you. Eh? But didn't you hear what he said?
Papa, yes. The native doctor only said nobody should push the force of nature or force me to do what my heart does not accept.
To avoid incurring the wrath of your chi. Who is your chi?
Why are you asking me? Why are you asking me? How am I supposed to know? You're asking me how am I supposed to know?
Papa, please take it easy. I don't even believe in all this fetish stuff. I don't believe in it. See, I love Budemma. And nothing will stop her from getting married.
If I tell you that I am not scared, then I am a very big liar.
I beg you, please. Let me take you to the city. All these medical doctors can take care of this.
No. No. I am not going to the city. Let alone any else. I am okay the way I am. Even if I cry out to win, it's my life. It's okay by me. People should let me be now. What is all this? People should let me be. I said I am okay. I am okay. Ready to shout. Ready to shout that I am okay. I'm okay.
That's all I get. Oyibo, that's all I get. Oyibo, that's all I get. Imagine Papa,
I love Urima. I love Urima so much. And nothing can change that. Kanna, I want to go home.
Oyibo, good night.
Please calm down. Calm down.
You asking me to calm down? You are asking me to calm down? What a blind, wretched gold digger you're trying to do to my son. I warned her never to get her away when he comes back. Does she want to die?
No, honey. Trust me on this. I'm going to punish her in my own way. By the time I'm done with her, she'll not remember Amobi again in this house. That wretch.
Oh, shut up! Shut up! You daughter of a fugitive! What were you doing with my son?
My king, he was only seeking for my advice.
And you are rendering it by placing those dirty fingers of yours on his shoulder? You? What did I tell you when we come back?
Will you shut up, you wretch? Come on, answer the question straight.
My king, I'm very sorry if I flouted your orders.
Udemba, take this girl, lock her up in that room. Let no one in this house give her water or food.
My queen!
Come on, get out! Get out!
My queen!
Whoever made this food must have attended a catering school. Wow, splendid! Or is it because I've missed homemade food for so long? Are you talking about the food?
Well, I'm not mistaken myself. The lady tried very well. But I can assure you that Amobi's would be wife is definitely a better cook.
Amobi's would be wife.
You didn't tell your friend about Oge Okoye.
Escaped my mind.
Escaped your mind? When you're getting married very soon, you couldn't tell him about your marriage?
Well, yes, I was going to tell him when he got down here, but thanks to you guys, you've done that for me. We're talking about ladies. I've not seen Anyachi for a while now. Where is she?
She went on an errand, but she'll be back tomorrow.
Blind people's errand.
Amobi, she went on an errand. you have any problem with that? Do you?
What's up, girl?
I'm good.
So smile is very suspicious. So tell me, where are you coming from?
From the palace.
Palace? Mm-hmm. Someone is lying to me here. Ladies are not allowed to go into the palace. So how did you get into the palace?
That's not even your headache. But since you asked, the prince is now mine. In fact, I went to cook for him and his friend. They just arrived from Ghana. And guess what he said?
What?
He said I was the best. Are you sure it's going to work?
Trust me. It will work. No, that's your only hope.
I'm afraid. You know, I've not done this kind of a thing before. I'm just scared. I don't want anything.
Come on. There's always a first time. Or don't you want the prince again?
No. I want him. In fact, I will do anything. When are we going?
Tomorrow. Is that okay?
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you, you're such a good friend.
No problem.
Amobi, you don't have to be confused.
Bro, I am so confused. So. Hold on. Hello there.
Yeah, hello, friend.
How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm getting better. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm at home.
Can I come and see you? I don't even know where you stay.
Forgive me. I've actually been very busy. Even right now, I'm so choked up. Can I see you in the evening?
So you don't want me to know your place, eh? Are you hiding anything from me?
Of course not. My mom is around.
Okay, I get it. So, are you coming over this evening?
Yes, I'll come.
Okay, great, bye.
Alright, bye-bye.
Could that be the Mercedes girl, the lawyer you told me about?
Yeah, the lawyer chick.
Hey, Amobi, yeah, her voice sounds quite lovely, you know.
Actually, she is lovely. She's new in town.
Wait, is it just me or has my friend turned into a womanizer?
Come on, Femi, you know me better than that. See, these ladies, they are just on my neck.
Oh, I wish these girls would just be on my neck.
They will just kill you, Femi. They will strangle you. Believe me, these women, they will strangle you. You won't like it one bit.
Oh.
You know, I don't know, but these women, I just see them like they're after me because of what I've got in my title. Like, they don't really care. That's why I like Mercedes. She doesn't even know I'm a prince.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Why don't you then think about initiating something intimate with her? Try and kick it off. What are you waiting for?
That is where Oge Okoye comes in.
Your bride?
Yeah. The girl my parents arranged for me to marry.
What? Your parents found you a wife? Where does that still happen?
In my kingdom. Yeah. Still happens here. Believe me. When you see this girl, the first thing you're going to say is, what the hell?
I can imagine. Wow.
Just wait.
Mama Jesus said, I never said, I don't want to hear that game. I got it. So that we can and I got me man. I'm going to say, what can I do? What do you have to do? So that we can and I got the sorry. Zopa. It didn't go in jail. Put it in his food. As soon as you finish eating the food, fall in love with you. And you will be in love with you. Take this.
This is really getting frustrating. Seriously. Can you imagine? I even went out on my own to invite him over to my place. And he promised to come see me this evening. But for where? Where do you see him? What does that guy even take me for? What does he take me for?
Masters, have you called him to know the reason why he's not making it?
You talk as if you're blind. Can't you see? Can't you see that that cheap Melanie has maneuvered her way into the palace? And I believe by now they're having good time together.
I do not believe that. Prince Amobi might be anything but cheap. Melanie is the most desperate girl I have ever seen. And Prince Amobi will be so stupid to do something with her so fast.
He can't be that stupid. Oh, he's very foolish to have something to do with that good-for-nothing illiterate Obiajulo. That girl is disgusting. How does he even cope? How does he manage with her?
Where is this? You're talking too much and acting less. I mean, this is unlike you. You of all people?
What do you want me to do? I'm so confused right now. I don't just know what to do.
You know what? Bring that dude to the house. Seduce him. Give him that tasty part of you that brings every guy down once and for all. Okay?
I think that's what I would do.
Mrs. You better do something first before that stupid and good-for-nothing girl get wiser.
Hello? Hey, Potty. You hear me? It's not be a Julu. Oh yeah, come now. Come and rub the potty on my body. Come quick, oh. I'm going out.
Things of this world is not by force. Adigemi uwanike iye chidere gemerere. Onye chuziri uwanike Ihe gadi gadiriri onye meni ụwa n'ike. Onye meni ụwa n'ike.
My prince. Where have you been for days now? Why are you crying?
Nothing. Your parents sent me on an errand.
Adachi, you don't look your normal self. That vibrancy that is always on your face, it's not there. Tell me the truth. What is wrong?
The king saw us together.
And?
They threw me into the palace dungeon without food or water for 3 days.
What?
My prince, 3 days.
Jesus Christ.
3 good days.
Jesus Christ, oh no, this is bad. Come on, it's okay. It's okay, it's alright, it's okay. Oh no. You mean that dungeon still exists?
My prince, there are so many things that still exist in this palace you know nothing about.
Oh man, this is bad. I must speak to my father at once.
No, unless you want me punished. You don't have to speak to me.
For what? How can my parents be so wicked?
My prince, they are just trying to protect you. They are trying to protect you from things that will still happen.
Oh no, this is wrong. But Anachi, if they treat you like this, and they make you suffer, why are you still here?
My prince, because I know that very soon all will be well. All will be well.
I greet you, my loyalty, handsome prince.
Because you didn't tell me you were coming.
Do I must tell you I come to my husband's place? Anyachi.
Greetings to you, my lady.
Judea glit in there. What you are do here? Why you leave your room? Eh? Oh, you are following them, eh? You are joining them.
Join who?
All the young village girls that are wanting to take in my handsome loyalty from me.
I beg you in the name of God, don't create any scene here. And leave Anyachi out of this. She has not done anything. Don't embarrass her.
Obia. You are starting to speaking all that wrong grammar for me now. On top this small something I just say. My prince, I know you why I talking all this here. I know you why. My prince, be careful. Be careful of these village girls. It's because I love you. I love you, that is why I does all this. Anyway, I talking my own. No. Let me go and see your father. Ayachi, what you are still doing there? You are not studying.
Sorry, my lady.
I go in here, still studying and sitting there.
No, I'm okay.
Why are you not eating my food?
No, not like I don't want to eat your food. I actually had some food at the fast food in town. I didn't know anybody was going to prepare something.
Okay, well, it's alright. prince! My prince, don't eat that food! Makagene!
That food is poisoned.
The food that I'm cooking myself, I cook it for my handsome loyalty to eat? If you try that!
Did I hear you say poison?
My prince, Ikenna added melanin to poison that food.
Ikenna what? What do you mean Ikenna? My prince.
Is this true?
No. I don't know what she's talking about. You see, I left to ease myself.
Enough! And you don't move an inch. Guard!
Yes, my prince.
Get me Melanie.
So that small winch entering my kitchen. Hi! Ikenna, Hi.
Eat this food.
Why would I eat something I did not make?
Word just reached me that you poisoned my food.
Me?
Yes, you. To vindicate yourself, eat this food right now or I will send you to my father. I believe you know what that means.
You having the guts, you entering my kitchen, you touching my food, you washing and you putting inside my food. And I cooking for my house and loyalty. Touch it. Oh yeah, testing it. Testing it.
Okay, fine, I'll eat.
Start testing anything now. Testing it. Testing it again, testing it.
Don't be by power. They refuse to believe me. No, love will not be by force. Melanie is not the. Love will not be by money. I said it. It's mine.
I want to be your lovey. I want to be your lovey. I want to be your one and only. I want to bring you well. I lost that time. I better love it when more. Love big love big
open and close. Touch it. Eh? What's the ball? I told them I was going to marry the prince, but they did not believe me. Bye, bye, my prince. I am the queen of this land. Hi! Hi! It's time to bed, though. Look at what. Hey! Oh yeah! Water to bed! Water to bed! Water to bed!
I am so natural, so natural. Love is so natural.
Oivo, I really like you as a person. And whatever I'm doing right now, I'm doing to protect you from the unknown.
My love, what unknown? See, don't believe everything that man said, though. Don't believe everything that man said. You still want to understand how I feel about you. The feelings I have for you are deeper, very deep than what spiritual realm understands.
You don't get it. This is not about you. I don't think I can ever get married to any man.
Vima, why are you saying something like this now? It's like sacrilege.
Am I not entitled to the way I feel? I've not met that man that is meant for me. Plus what the native doctor said the other day, I'm beginning to think there's something wrong with me.
Vima, how can something be wrong with you? A very beautiful girl like you, a hunter, a fine girl like you. See, I want you to see this as a challenge in life. Your own challenge.
Maribo, you can't get through this.
I'm not God, yes or no. But one thing is for sure. I will not let you go. I can't believe this.
Femi, I've been telling you of how desperate these women have become around here. Now you've seen it for yourself.
Now I'm really getting scared.
You don't have to be scared. Nothing is going to happen to the prince.
You talk with so much confidence, Anyachi.
You haven't introduced her to me.
Oh, forgive my manners. Anyachi, this is Femi, my best friend.
Femi, you're not from this land, are you?
No, I'm Yoruba.
You have a good heart. I can feel it. And you have the prince's interest at heart too.
Yes, he does.
What is it?
I see it coming.
You see what? You're blind.
Evil. Why all this evil?
What evil again, Anyachi? Can you just stop speaking like this?
My prince, you have 2 more hurdles to go. Just 2 more hurdles, and you are going to declare this mission yourself. Just get ready.
No, I'm not going to hurry though. I'm so leaving this house for both of you because I know how you scream when you're on it.
Not to you. Please just go and hide.
Not to you too.
Go. Okay. See you later, Joe. Yeah, who's there? Who? Oh my god, movie. You're welcome. Just go and sit. Sit, okay? You look worried. What's the problem?
Babe. It's It's not going to work between us.
What are you talking about?
Look, we're friends, alright? We're good friends. I think we should keep it that way.
Amobi, why are you sounding this way? Did I do anything wrong to you?
Well, of course you didn't do anything to me, but I just feel this is about the level we can go.
It's not fair. It's not fair. Look, if I've done anything wrong to you, just tell me. I will simply apologize. Please, Giles.
You've not wronged me. Right? I just made my choice. That is what I want to do. And I am a very busy man. I need to go.
Amobi, please. Just leave like this. Please, I beg you.
I thought about this. It's not going...
We can't leave me this way.
What's this?
It's just a hip pad. I just use it to enhance my hips and my backside.
Jesus Christ. Are you bloody kidding me? What are you doing? You don't know.
It's nothing. Stop it now. See, you're spoiling it for me.
Wait. Hold on a minute. You mean all this while I've been seeing you and I keep telling myself this is one beautiful lady with nice curves? You've actually been deceiving me with your artificial accessories.
But that's not true. Just look at me. I still have nice curves without it. No, just see. See now. Can't you see? I'm still a fine girl. I'm still a beautiful girl. Just see it.
Yes, I see it, but what are you doing?
Stop it, please. Amobi, you know I'm a fine girl. Just see me.
I don't... Then by the palace guard. What? I thought you claimed not to know anything about me. How come you know the chief guard? Christ, I don't believe this. Hello? Of course it's me, Prince Amobi. Get ready right now. Pack your things. You are leaving the palace. Are just a bunch of disgrace.
I'm sorry I didn't explain everything, please.
Explain what? Huh? Why didn't you do that the day you met me? Why? Who even knows if your name is truly Mercedes?
Yes, my name is Mercedes. You can ask anybody. I'm serious.
I don't believe you. Maybe it's Mitsubishi or Golf.
My name is...
Get your hands off me.
Amobi, please don't do this to me. Amobi now. Amobi. What is all this now? What is this thing now?
Amobi, don't let this whole marriage issue get to you so much.
First, I almost got poisoned. Second, a lady I thought was so endowed turns out to be fake. For Christ's sake, I'm a human being. How would it get to me?
Yeah, I understand your pain and disappointment. Come to think of it, of all the ladies around, of all the girls they've come across, why would your parents choose an illiterate for you?
Search me, bro. Search me. Up till this minute, I still can't comprehend. But, truth be told, she still has her good sides. Yeah, she's nice, she's caring, she's plain, down to earth. And you can call her beautiful. She's natural, she's dark, and she's also a good cook, so I heard.
But she can't speak. How can such a person represent you outside?
My parents told me that when I get to the bridge, I'll cross it. But this particular bridge, I don't know. How am I going to cross this one?
Sorry, this whole thing is funny.
Oh, it sounds funny. Alright, fine. Take her to a fast food That's when you know that the matter is not funny.
You know, I really can picture it. With this whole scenario, actually, Kate wasn't that bad.
Oh, you can say that again. Oh, you're still laughing.
Sorry. Please. Oh my God.
I'm tired of all these tears I'm seeing. Is it the only rich guy on earth? After all, they made us start wearing all those stuff. If you don't have boobs and ass, they say you're not endowed. Who was even expecting to see? Beg. It's okay.
Not just that, Serena. To crown it all, that useless thinking game that I've been paying his bills for over 3 months now. Just called at the most wrong time. Why was he even calling me? Why must that fool call me? Why?
Girlfriend, you don't have to cry in practice like that. You've lost him, fine. Life goes on.
No, don't even tell me that. Because I can't just believe the fact that I've lost this guy. I already have him at the tip of my fingers. All I needed to do was just to grab him so tight to myself. Then let it slip off my hands just like that.
You tried your best. Trust me. Believe me, you did.
I did not try, Serena. I did not try anything. Just hold on. Are you trying to tell me that there is nothing else I can do to get him back?
He's not even answering your calls.
Oh God.
Who is that mad person? Oh, please, just go away. I know your friend must have sent you to come here and laugh at us.
What? Just open the door. What happened? Minami is running around the village naked. I told her about this her desperation, but she couldn't listen to me. Please calm down. What really happened? I heard she wanted to poison the prince, and she was caught. Give her the food to eat. When she ate the food, she got mad.
Why would she? Wait. You mean she wanted to give the prince love potion?
That's what everybody is saying.
Care, you see. This whole thing is getting out of hand. I'm out. I love my life. I love my life.
Get off of me, ma. She is not your type. She belongs to a separate world. If you refuse, the results will be deadly.
I will not do
pay you if you can take off your... Jesus Christ.
The doctor said you need a lot of rest right now. Stop thinking. Please.
This is exactly what I'm trying to do. But in the interim, please ensure that Amobi and Obiajulu get married at once.
Honestly, my dear, there's this question I've been wanting to ask you all these years.
And what is that?
Why must he be Obiajulu? Why must she be the one? It will be so impossible to convince him to marry her at this point. Or do you intend to force both of them to the altar?
Oh, shut up, woman! Shut up before I send the gods of war to strike you.
To strike me, your wife?
Now at this point, I want to be left alone.
But yeah...
I said I want to be left alone. Don't you understand?